I don't know. I'll be back
I'll
then.
just record it. Basically, Sirens of Law has made more videos because I think it's because I made a Noli video and it was based on some gameplay and I need to convert it to an MP4 because that'd be the best way I would say to get it to audio adapt. Oh, it's because it's unlisted. Oh, this might not work. Yeah.
You can always just like record yourself.
On.
Like,
Yeah, I guess that could work. Yeah. Let's see if this one doesn't count. Then we're gonna have to do it like that. There, I found it.
there.
There, you found it. You found the secret. Yay! Yay! Where is it? Oh, it's still downloading. First off, let's listen to it. Listen to it all. Huh? Cool.
Wow.
It's really cool.
Oh, and is it gonna pick up the other noise?
Um. Does it understand it? What the heck? It is kind of understanding it.
I don't think that means anything.
E E E.
I think I made a mistake. Try to manually put it in,
What do you mean?
like dots and dashes, like the like like each one of those
Yeah,
is a
but I don't
single.
know Morse code, bro.
Just put in each, like you don't need to translate it yourself. Put it in the thing manually, like each dot and dash. I don't know.
What does that mean, though?
Can't be
E
that
E
important, right?
E E. Dude, everything with Morse code is important for no reason.
I mean, I love Morse code.
Screw it. Let's try this one. I'm on now. Calm down. Come on. It's just the same one, but worse. Where's the translation? Is this really just a message?
Morse code hasn't even started yet. I think the other noises might be messing it up.
God dang it. I don't know Morse code, bro.
Neither do I.
Okay, so there's two slashes in there, so it means like one word. Not one word. Needs 3 words. So it could mean something. So let's go in here and let's put dash dash.
That's that's the wrong way around. You're putting
No, I'm not done with it yet. I don't understand. Do I don't get Morse code. What does Morse code sound like,
do
bro?
do 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 do.
Yeah, but we
That's
don't know.
dash dot dot dash, right?
Um, listen. Let's listen to it.
Dude, yeah. Slow it down. Slow down the video with.
That's a smart idea. Can I make it even slower or no?
Dot.
Okay. How do we
That's a
know that?
dot.
I don't know what a dot is. Hold on. Wait.
When it's a short, like when it's a dash, it's
Dot
do. But when it's a dot,
dot.
it's do. Put in a dash.
All right. Oh my God. How? Ba-dum-bum-bum. So like
Yeah.
two. That's way too fast for me, bro. So that one's
Dash probably.
yeah, B dash. 4 dots. 4 dots. Do
Two,
do.
3, 4. And then something else immediately after.
I have to go back. I'm not good with keeping track of that. Dot 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 dot.
Oh, there's more.
Oh
That's a
wait.
slash after
Slash.
space or space
No, that's like a
spacer.
matter if I put a
It's a
space.
6.
6.
This is too complicated. I'll be back.
Dot 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 dot. So wait, that's like or is it oh, it doesn't matter even which one it is. Dot 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 dash. Dot 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 dash. Dot 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 dash. Dot dash. be a dash again. Nah, I think that might be together. Wait. Oh. Dot, 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 dot. What if it was replaced with a dot?
You're down the speed so you can try to match it.
I did. But it sounds worse. Dot, dot, dot. There. That's a dot. That's a dot there. That's a dot. Dot. There's a dash. Then there's another one. So there's like dun dun for some reason, which I think this might be dot dot dot. Yeah, that works. I'm just keeping on playing for now. How to remove background noise and just hear the Morse code. Wait.
Hey guys, and welcome back there so we can kind of select what we need to select, the unwanted noise. Background noise reduction, you're going to see these two
Thanks for the message, man.
get noise profile. The vote back at 0 profile file, so or go all. We noise that will select. I'll help you out. As we can hear, it's a nice crisp audio file that has no background noise getting in the way or interfering. Now, if you have any
I'm back. What I miss?
I saw your comment on my video.
Hmm.
I'm cooked, bro.
Bro, you only recommend more high record.
This is not the game I played. What game is this? Oh, game is called Forsaken Retold. Oh, okay.
Make a chicken salad sandwich.
Okay.
What are you getting recommended
I don't
now?
know. Best way to translate Morse code with background noise. Wow. Wait. You could be trying to say help, maybe. Nah. That's,
If literally anybody finds the video, then they can probably solve it themselves. Oh, yep. Remember, there's the Discord. Remember, yep. There's a Discord that
wait a minute.
might.
Maybe I can go into a Discord. Hold on.
That's such a good tweet.
Holy lag spike. Jesus, bruh.
What?
Dude, Noli was standing there. He is not real, bro. That man is not real. Look, if the man's not following you,
You're
I
just standing there, menacingly.
kept looking back. He should have looked forward because he's not following him. Da no 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 no.
This is so peak.
Forsaken community. We heard your complaints about Forsaken not being scary enough, so we decided to deliver. um, Discord server that can help me with um secrets. I'm sorry, man. I suck at this. Um,
I wanted when I made your love. Oh, I'm gonna do something else while I wait for this.
this might take a while.
Yeah, this is for you.
This might sound dumb, but I could go ask other servers. Now look, I want the creator to know this. Don't make this easy on me. I want to learn. But I might have to ask on this one. But would it be a
All
good
right, creator,
server?
note it, creator. Don't make it too difficult, but also don't make it too easy.
Yes. Ooh, pressure.
This feels like just a sudden ramp up in difficulty for some reason. Like or at least for the game, I guess. If this is like what is this connected to? Like so far, his other uploads have been connected to the Undertide. Is he making a new game about Noli, or is this just Lord Rock?
I don't freaking know, bro. You think I can? No.
I want
I
an
think.
East Gaming channel.
Okay, that's random. But all right.
Do you agree?
Wait. Questions? Is this questions about the game? God dang it. I don't think this is gonna be good, bro.
Yeah, I don't think you're gonna get any. I just got a cramp.
Yeah, we're gonna have to go to the worst place I've ever read it.
Wow.
I hate, but that thing, it scares me.
But under like, is there r/Roblox myths or r like
Or
like at this
slash,
point? What are we classifying this as at this
it's more
point?
like a myth, because I don't know if I could call this an ARG.
Yeah.
Um, Roblox myth. Who are you talking about, bro? Oh, Morrow binder. God, you guys really like finding myths, huh?
Well,
Let's sign in with Google. I think I have a Google account on here. I don't remember my password. Oh, you're glitching, bro. What are you doing? What are you doing? What's suffering? Like to type that down for me, please? Oh, your Wi-Fi.
network.
Actually, wait, maybe I should stop the recording. Oh yeah, I could
What did they
probably.
do to Mafioso?
What? What?
I'm sending you this clip over phone. What did they do to Mafioso at the very beginning? What is that?
Was
I
what?
sent it to you on mobile. I sent it to you on mobile.
Oh, is it bad? Bad?
Just at the very beginning.
I heard my phone ring. I
Yeah,
don't
I
like
guess
that. That's menacing, bro. Ding.
it's like no, it's like it's speed drawing Mafioso. I saw the thumbnail of it. And I was like, oh, this looks cool. And then I clicked on it. And the first like 2 seconds when they were drawing like the outline,
Then it goes like what?
and then it just starts drawing Mafioso over it. Like normal mafioso, like actually fully like, and it looks really good too at the very end. But what did they do to mafioso?
What the heck? My real question is, why was it like a female first? Like a female
Because
body?
that's
Yeah,
what I'm talking about. That's not. What did they do to mafioso? What did mafioso do? And the funny part is that I've seen their videos before. They've never done that, but they always make it some like goofy thing. But they've never done that. Like usually it's like a stick figure in a silly pose or something. Not that.
okay. I need some help with this. I've been going out with not
Going out with.
that sounds bad. That sounds bad. I've
I've
been
been
in this myth. I believe
I've been interacting with the myth.
I've been interacting with a myth and how long has it been? For the
Like
last
a week or two,
past for
the past week
the past week.
or so.
But right now he sent
You made a
sent
video using
me a video. He
he.
commented under a video I had, but I really don't understand Morse code that well unless typed. So if
You should you should you should probably clarify that he sent a YouTube link it
it
just sounds
is
like he just
a
sent more.
YouTube link, but I kind
It's a YouTube link.
so if anyone is willing to watch it and help me out with it, please do. Thank you. You think that's good? I've been interact.
Yeah,
I've been interacting. I've been interacting with a myth for the past week, but right now he commented under a video I had, but I don't really understand Morse code that well unless typed. It is a YouTube link, so if anyone is willing to watch it and help me out with it, please do, and thank you.
Are you gonna
Here
send
is
me? Are you
the
gonna?
link. You think that's good?
Yeah, good enough.
If it, yeah, it goes to it. It goes to it. Man, sure be weird if you get like a boost in views, you know?
You think they're gonna check out his channel?
But technically it goes to the views of that channel, so.
Yeah. Then again, your post could only get like a couple of boosts. I don't
Posts.
know. I know I don't use Reddit, so
I probably won't get anybody, so I guess we can try to find it while we can. I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna do good. Can anyone help me out? Yeah, okay, so people just try to help out each other on here. So how did this go? Yeah, definitely don't have the time to translate, didn't. Yeah, I didn't didn't have time to comment back, huh? Let's just go look through here. Who's this guy? Or I don't know. Let's keep going through.
So yeah, this can be on YouTube then. I'm just
Welcome to the island. Looks evil.
I am evil. I am Sonic.exe.
Nigga,
I was
there's
about to
Deji Bell. Oh my god. Alex Grayson. I'm scared. The stars are not stars. It
Dude,
looks
I
like
think you're being watched.
I
Just a
think I think
feeling.
it looks like he draws on them. I'll be honest, man.
Yeah, those look fake.
They look really
At
fake.
least like they don't
They
match
look
the
too
environment
big. They
because
look too
normally,
big.
because hold on, wait, actually scroll up. If back to it, if you go to it, there's fog in the distance, and usually fog affects the skybox,
You see,
right?
that one affects it. These like kind of affect it, but some of them are just pure bright and they don't work.
Yeah,
That one,
and
that's doing.
also, oh yeah, the resolution doesn't match either.
Yeah. Looks like I caught you now.
That just looks like an arcade flooring, like an arcade carpet.
Yeah. I guess we're going through here these for now.
Oh, Noli. I saw a
Where?
Noli post right there.
Okay, guys, I get it. You guys praise Noli as a god.
John Yellowstone
Man, you guys really love Morse code, huh?
is Roblox Smiths. The shoot flowers.
Oh, he's trash.
Normal Roblox Smiths, Roblox ARG. No, it's that one shaking hands meme. Roblox Smith, Roblox ARGs. They're using Morse code every. Oh, I love Steel Directory. Oh, I
Do it.
love Steel Directory.
Dude, that caught me off guard. I'm sorry.
No, he looks like no Edwin. Why did you do that?
Me when my face open. Oh,
That's how I
dude.
feel when I wake up, and that's how I feel when I wake up in the morning. Bro couldn't even
Yes,
take a
sir.
screenshot.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
Sir, yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. Dun 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 dun. Who? Which one's the real one? Question mark? Question mark. Okay, well, I guess we'll wait for answers, or we'll try to find out more.
Yeah,
Cause look, man, I suck at Morse code. You can't blame
you're
me.
not the only one.
I,
Yeah, Morse code is hard to translate just by ear.
yes, very hard. Unity is pretty. You're a very interesting man, you know. I wonder what you do every day and night.
Siren just the only one that's doing Morse code. Siren just really loves his Morse
Yes, he
code.
does. He just loves his Morse code, bruh. Look, I get it. I get it, man. But I suck at Morse code, so it might take me a little bit. Wait a minute. Sorry, I just wanted to. Can I send YouTube videos in here? Screw it. If winners hang out, I don't care. This is like the only server I really talk to. Or use voice chat in, I guess. Damn!
What?
Look, it's the damn!
Dude, if you do that again, I'm seriously gonna hit you. Dude, I warned you.
Dude, I told you he was gonna do that, man. There has to be at least
I'm going to
someone
use this as an opportunity to turn my life around.
off topic.
What happened?
I'm going through here. Are these guys smart?
Ketchup, mustard.
Okay, they're definitely not smart. Yeah.
Ketchup mustard.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4.
What do you think they're counting down to?
Did you see it? It's Grow Garden.
No, I'm not. I'm not looking. I'm not actually.
It's Grow Garden.
Oh my. Oh my god.
3, 2, 1.
Oh yeah, I've heard it. Yeah. I've heard about those. People are just going into the.
This is depressing, bruh.
Yes.
I,
When has it? When
I,
has Grow
I
Garden
guess
been?
I understand why people like it, but like, my God. I think we're just going through random Discord servers by now. Dude, I should make a Bone Lab video.
Steak.
But steak! This is good news. We can finally beat pizza.
Pizza.
Can anyone solve this for me? I am kinda bad at Morse code. Sad face. God dang it.
What?
I I added a sad face. Now I can't end the message. Help me. Help me.
Are you still recording?
Yes. It's only been like
Okay.
13 minutes, so it's not that bad.
Yeah, fair point.
Don't worry, creator. You don't have to make it easier on me. Please
Are they
don't.
still online?
Unity is purist. He's working on something real good.
Still working on it.
I can't see his hidden experience because he still has it like privated.
How dare you keep secrets from
You must make.
us?
Yeah, you can maybe get unlisted so I can see it now.
Hopefully.
No reason. No reason.
Me and Kylan praying to God, praying to Unity that
Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
I can't even go in his game now. It's just gone.
Yeah, he took it down
Hold on. Wait.
in the underties.
I need a Noli voice line. Just wait. Actually, I have it downloaded. Never mind. We don't need to search that out.
What if one day we join the Undertide, he joins us and he just gives us swords to kill all of these?
Oh, bet. Hold on. I need the bomb. I need the bomb sound effect.
What the?
What the?
Where's your
Bitch.